This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Cabin filter renewal. The pollen filter is located in the heater unit and is accessed from inside the car on the passenger's side. First, open the glove box, then reach up and push the limit stops out of the way so that the entire glove box can be lowered into the service position. Release the upper locking tabs and remove the filter cover. Note the orientation of the filter with the airflow direction arrow pointing down, then slide the pollen filter out. Noting the correct orientation, install the new filter into the housing. Refit the cover so that the clips engage and secure the cover in position. Engage the damper and close the glove box.